Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a storybook for kids using Canva and ChatGPT. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, here on ChatGPT, go ahead and make your account. It's totally free. Just go ahead and type in or ask the AI to create a storybook or a story for kids. Okay, let's say, for example, write me a short story about maybe a fish for kids 3 to 5 years old. Make it lively and entertaining. All right, just like that. Hit on find or search, wait for it. As you can see here, ChatGPT is now starting to create a story. Now what you'll do on Canva, go ahead and find in here in the search bar, just type in storybook. Okay. As you can see here, we have a ton of templates for storybook. But if you want to, you can go ahead and create your own by selecting create a blank storybook. Now, let's say, for example, we wanted to select, since our story is about fish, so let's go ahead and try to find a storybook right here, or a template that has a fish. But unfortunately, I think there are no fishes in here. All right, doesn't matter. Just go ahead and click on create a blank storybook. And here, select the background, click on this canvas, and then there will be this option to change the background color. It could be whatever you want, for example, orange. Okay, and then you can go ahead and add in some elements. For example, a cloud, or maybe water. Okay, water, like so. Maybe this one's pretty cool. Okay, you can go ahead and add this one, and then you can now go ahead and copy the first paragraph here in the ChatGPT. Okay, copy, then paste it right here, move it maybe at the top as your water is in here. Then go ahead and just select a font. Okay, it could be cartoon, like so. As you can see, we have a ton of cool looking fonts in here in Canva. All right, maybe I'll be using wedges. Not quite. Maybe gluten. This one's awesome. All right, you can go ahead and change the font color and the font size. Okay. Now, once you're happy with it, you can now go ahead and add in some more elements. For example, a fish. So what it says here, once upon a time in a bright blue sea lived a tiny orange fish named Finny. Okay, so let's go ahead and find an orange fish. There you go. Looks like Nemo. Maybe this one. Drag it like so. Now we have the character and the environment. Okay. Finny was the happiest fish in the ocean because he loved to chase bubbles. So again, bubbles. We'll need to find bubbles. Hit enter. Here, cool bubbles right here. No, not quite. Not that color. Maybe this one. All right. Just play around with these elements. All right. Now, once you're happy with it, you can now go ahead and move on and add another page for the next paragraph. Okay. Just do the same thing. Add your elements and then the character. Okay. Now, once done, once you have it all set up, once you have copied and pasted all of your contents from ChatGPT to Canva, you can now go ahead and hit on share, and then go ahead and click on see all. Now look for the option, this one. All right. Under design, we have this simple book flip or booklet flip. Okay. Just click on it, hit on open, wait for it to load, and it's going to open up a new tab. that will ask you to create an account. You can go ahead and select your Gmail or a Microsoft account in here. For example, I'm just going to select my Gmail like so. Wait for it. Give the necessary permission and hit on continue. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, you can now go ahead and click on export your design. Okay. It will show all of your pages right here. Just make sure to select the necessary pages. For example, I only have one page that's been done. So I'm going to go ahead and untick this other page. Hit on done, save. It says you're preparing, just wait for it. It says your design has been saved. Okay. Now you can go ahead and click on view in simple booklet flip. Click on it and wait for it to load. All right. There you have it. In here, just go ahead and add a title like the happy fish. Happy fish. It could be parallax, card flip, or slide, focus, whatever you want. Okay. Once done, hit on continue at the bottom. And there you have it. Okay. From here, you can go ahead and share it to your friends, or just simply copy the link, send it to your friends. They'll paste the link to their browser and it will look like this. All right. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.